Hi, good morning all. Today, the people of Kerala celebrate Onam. I am presenting this video on 31st August. Wish all Keralites a happy, peaceful and prosperous Onam. Welcome to the second video on inter-school quiz competition which is going to be organized by IS Salala. I had shared information related to the winners of daily quiz on 25th August and 26th August. On 27th August, 590 students participated in the daily quiz conducted by IS Salala, and Ananya B. Nair and Zaina Fatima of Indian School Muscat and Indian School Salala respectively became the winners. On 28th August, 370 students participated in it, and Amulya Hegde of Indian School Muscat became the winner. On 29th August, 316 students participated. Sri Shankar Pradeep became the winner, and he is a student of Indian School Sohar. On 30th August also, he became the winner, and on that day, 364 students participated in daily quiz. Many of you or your teachers might have already registered your names to take part in this quiz. Let me give you some more information. There will be no entry fee. There will be no entry fee for participation. Mega Prelim and Grand Finale will be on Zoom and made available live on YouTube for the public. Online registration link will be kept open from 23rd August 2020 to 10th September 2020. That means we have 10 more days to register. There are three categories: students from 1st standard to 4th standard of the current academic year, that is 2020-2021 academic year, can participate from the category of sub-juniors. And students from 5th standard to 8th standard will come under the category of juniors. And students from 9th standard to 12th standard will come under the senior category. You have to register by providing the following details: your full name, GR number, telephone number of your parent, email ID, class and section, photo, and your date of birth. There are 4 levels of this competition. The first one is first prelim. 15 questions will be asked and they should be answered within 7 minutes, and it will be conducted on 1st October 2020, and it will start at 10 o'clock for the junior category students and at 11 o'clock for the senior category students. Second prelims will be on 6th October 2020. On that day, 25 questions should be answered within 10 minutes. Mega prelims will be on 8th October, and final quiz will be conducted on Zoom as I mentioned earlier, and it will be held on 10th October. Let me ask you a few questions now, not more. Identify this Indo-Australian writer and journalist. I will give you one more clue. He is winner of Booker Prize. This novel, which was written in 1979, starts with this as opening line: "The world is what it is. Men who are nothing, who allow themselves to become nothing, have no place in it." You have to find out name of this novel. That's all for the time being. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.